Hello and welcome to Theme Park Information. In today's show we've got a review for Hyperion, located at Energylandia in Poland. Now this is a coaster I also went on in like 2018 and absolutely loved it. The friend I was with at the time, it was his favourite roller coaster. He really enjoyed it, and a lot of the things I enjoyed about it are still there. This ride, for the most part, is really smooth. It has a fantastic first drop, really good. Has a few really good airtime moments, and it has a really turn slash clearly actually probably an inversion, which is never called one. I don't know why, but yeah, it's a really good ride. I will say certain parts of it, I don't know if it's just because obviously it was a little bit colder when we were there this time, but like, you know, so there was like a little speed hill which didn't really deliver much, and a little overbank, you know, just after the non-inversion where it again just didn't really offer as much. However, I actually thought the bit low to the ground, that was absolutely hauling through that bit, and that seemed to offer far more airtime and, you know, thrills than normal. So a bit of a mixed bag. Still excellent, still really enjoyable. First drop is, yeah, so good. Loved the tunnel as well. And the airtime after that was also absolutely just popping for some reason. Just seemed to be getting so much airtime over that one. Also, the theming and stuff like that just worked out really nicely. So I will be honest, it's like it still holds up as a really good ride. I can't really think of that much things to criticise for it. You know, there's so much legroom, so much space. You're so free and open, and you know, it just has generally like a really good splash time. I love the fact they do it. We have queue, and then you go through a set of doors. Just adds to the anticipation and intensity and stuff like that. And I love the fact it's kind of like front row, like single riders, and then the rest of the train. And I can also confirm, and I don't know if I said this in my last review, but I've only ever ridden Hyperion in either the front row or back row of the train, regardless of how busy it's been. And I've even attempted not to ride it in the back, and it has just happened where people have just gone that, like, you know, filled in neatly. So I've been at the back. It's really interesting that in my last two visits, I've never ridden it anywhere else. Yeah, but for the most part, it was an absolutely fantastic ride. It was the last ride we did of our trip. And it, you know, just puts a smile on your face. It, you know, just has everything. It's kind of people, you know, watching. It's a tiny bit like maybe Superman the Ride at New England sort of thing, but with better restraints. Yeah, it has a great layout, looks great, rides really well. Generally, really photogenic coaster, fantastic. Yeah, well worth it. Whether or not it's higher than Zadra is still a bit of a mystery. I'm not sure. They're probably still both in my top 20 somewhere. I haven't thought too much about it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.